We have the driver's side wheel done. We're going to go ahead and do the passenger side. I am going to remove the jack stands. We're going to put it down, and I'm going to turn the wheels the opposite way so I can get to the brake pads easily. And we'll show you what we're doing here. Okay, wheels are turned. We're going to jack it up. We're going to pop the hubcap off. Got the wheels chalked, front and back. Got the jack stands. We've got an Allen wrench here. Here and here. 3/8 inch. All right, we're gonna take these off. We're gonna pop these up. I'm gonna put a screwdriver here on the tab, brake shoe. I'm gonna put one here, and I'm just gonna lean on back. Slow, steady pressure should depress that piston in. It's already going. So I've got my handy dandy little coat hanger. We're going to place that in here. Tighten it up a little bit, so I don't want that going anywhere and breaking the hose. And we're going to throw the other end in here. And get a mouthful of brake dust. That's pretty thin too. This caliper is so thick. The cylinder, pretty big cylinder. I'm thinking maybe because it's a 1 ton. I have no idea. I just hit that one edge of this. I don't know, let's see. Dang you. There we go. Now, these things were trouble last time. These little guys were trouble last time. This one was hitting, and it appears it's going to hit again. I think I'm going to have to push that out.
That was a pain.
I'm going to push him through even a little more. Gotta make some room. Because it hits. And it makes it impossible to get in. Okay, these guys are now pushed in a little more. This guy with the tab, with the sensor, goes on the outside. Took this clip off the old guy. I'm gonna put him on. This is what holds the brake into the cylinder. So it's gonna go right there. right, so let's put him in there. Let's put him over here. And let's see about getting her back in. Deuterama. Come on, man. All right, with a little coaxing with a rubber hammer, I got it on. Wow.
Brake pad wears down to a certain point.
Wiggling the caliper back on took the most time of anything, it seems. So a very easy change of the brake pads. I think these were 46 bucks, AutoZone, lifetime guarantee, meaning not forever in perpetuity, but you get one free pair of brakes. Yeah, I guess what I'm a redneck. I'm pounding with a hammer. Go ahead and complain. But you get one free pair of brakes. They probably figure nobody saves the box. You got to save the box. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to cut the box up and make it flat and put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in my automobile drawer, meaning the drawer I have in my toolbox for all my automobile stuff. That way, once I need new brakes for this, I will also mark them Chevy van on the outside of the Ziploc so that I know that's what the box is for. These wear out. Just take the box back in. You're in their computer system at AutoZone. They'll give you a new set of brakes for free. That's a one-time replacement part. So that's pretty cool. So these are actually, if I do have them long enough to put the brakes back on, if you have them long enough to put the brakes back on, you $22 or $23 for these brake pads.
So that it was on the jack stands. So the jack got a little bit so I can get the wheel on.
So like I said, save the box. I don't know if it means the whole thing or that just a proof of purchase or whatever, but put the whole box in a Ziploc, 90 G30 van, I can put it away somewhere with my automotive stuff. You don't want to save a box all together.